Sufi movement. Bhakti movement was started by Albert Saint. Bhakti culture reborn in India during 15th-16th century. Common belief of life of Buddha and Mirabai was the world is full of sorrow. Let's no man ask a man's sect or caste whose dictum was this. Ramanand. A common feature of all Bhakti saints was that they composed their verses in the language understood by their followers. With, with the reference of religious history of medieval Sufi mystics are known to pursue which of the following? Meditation and control of breath, favor aesthetic exercise in lonely place, recitation of holy song and arouse a state is castis in their audience. Vaishnavism in Kamar Rupa was popularized by Shankaradev. Famous medieval saint Shankaradev belonged to Vaishnav cult. Vaishnavism introduced Vaishnavism in Assam and Kuch Behar. Shankaradev, Ramanujacharya related to Visishta Advait, Suddha Advait propounded by Vallabhacharya. Birthplace of Mahaprabhu Vallabhacharya, Champarnaya. Correctly matched. Advait Shankaracharya, Visishta Advait Ramanujacharya, Advait Madhavacharya, Advaitavad Nimbarakacharya. वल्लभचार्य पुष्टि मार्ग, रामानुजन विशिष्ट अद्वैत, माधवचार्य द्वैत अद्वैत, शंकर अद्वैत, रामानुजन विशिष्ट, माधवचार्य द्वैत, निम्बारका द्वैत, वल्लभचार्य शुद्ध अद्वैत. भक्ति मूवमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट. माधवचार्य प्रपंड निर्गुणा भक्ति सिद्धांत इंस्टेड ऑफ सगुणा भक्ति. वल्लभचार्य पुष्टि मार्ग, निम्बारका द्वैत अद्वैत, रामानंद एडवोकेट राम भक्ति. Vijak is compilation of work of Kabir. Philosophy of Pushti Marg. Pushti Marg is a Vaishnava sect of Hinduism founded by Vallabhacharya, propounded Suddha Advait. First Bhakti saint to use Hindi for the propagation of his message. Ramananda. Kabir born in Prayag, Ramanand. Kabir was disciple of Ramanand. Composed Bijak Kabir. पोथी पढ़ी जग मुआ पंडित भया न कोई कबीर. A collection of dialogue between Kabir and Dharmdas is still titled Amar Mool. Malukdas was saint poet of Kada. Saint Ghasidas father Mahangu indicates the correct chronological order. Shankaracharya, Ramanujan, Chaitanya. Bhakti saint from the following: Kabir, Guru Nanak, Chaitanya, Mirabai. How many Jyotirlinga are there depicted? Lord Shiva, 12. Followers of Ramanujacharya are known as Vaishnav. Which of the following birthplace of Guru Nanak? Nankana. Regime of Guru Nanak Dev founded Sikh religion, Sikandar Lodi. God knows man's virtue and inquires not his caste. In next world there is no caste. Nanak. Mirabai was contemporary of Tulsidas, Guru Nanak, Chaitanya, but Ramakrishna not. Name of husband of the devotee Mirabai: Rajkumar Bhojraj. Who wrote Rag Govind? Mirabai. Arrange the following in chronological order: Namdev, Kabir, Nanak, Mirabai. Namdev, Kabir, Nanak, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bhakti movement influenced by Islam. Namdev. भक्ति सेंट गुरु नानक, नामदेव, टेलर, कबीर, वीवर, रविदास, कोबलर, सेना, बारबर, चैतन्य महाप्रभु, वैष्णव, तुलसीदास, कंटेम्प्रोरी ऑफ अकबर जहांगीर। बुक रामचरितमानस तुलसीदास का नॉट कंपोजिशन ऑफ सेंट तुलसीदास। साहित्य रत्न कविता वाली और विनय पत्रिका तुलसीदास, नॉट रिटन बाय तुलसीदास। साहित्य लहरी, तुलसीदास born in राजपुर चित्रकूट डिस्ट्रिक्ट यूपी। His wife रत्नावाली, not correctly matched। रसिक प्रिया, ध्रुवदास, भगवती नामवाली, नाम भाषा भक्तमल, उस्मान चित्रावाली। रसिक प्रिया, आचार्य केशवदेश। इज फेमस रामचंद्रिका और कवि प्रिया। सेंट ऑफ बरकारी सेक्ट, नामदेव। मेन सीट पीठ ऑफ बरकारी सेक्ट, पंढरपुर। भक्त तुकाराम, कंटेम्पोररी टू जहांगीर। Among the who was not proponent of भक्ति कल्ट, नागार्जुन। तुकाराम त्यागराज वल्लभाचार्य, भक्ति कल्ट नागार्जुन, निहिलिज्म। कबीर, स्वामी रामानंद, अमीर खुसरो, निजामुद्दीन औलिया, सूरदास, वल्लभाचार्य, मर्दाना, गुरु नानक। Many Sanskrit music were translated into Persian during the medieval early Chishti Sufi found of musical assembly Shama. Chishti Sufi author Khwaja Moinuddin. First Sufi Moinuddin Chishti. Earliest Sufi saint Moinuddin Chishti. Founder of Chishti branch Khwaja Abu Abdal. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Khwaja Usman Murani.